In this video I'm going to show you how to create geography bingo cards using Bingo Card Printer, which is software you can download from bingocardprinter.com. Okay, I've started the program. This is what it looks like to start with. I say create new bingo card project, and I now can choose my starting point for my bingo card game. And I can choose to have my cards pre-populated with certain items, so for example numbers, or words, maths, so on, and there's a geography category here which has got African countries capitals, American countries, Asian countries, cities in Australia, Britain, places in Canada, and so on and so on and so on. I can use any of those activities as they are, or I can customize them. So for example, I can add items, I can delete items, I can change the appearance of the bingo cards, um, or I can start from scratch and start from a blank list and type in my items. So if I wanted to make some bingo cards about rivers in America, I could start typing in the names of rivers here. Do this as quick as I can. Um, if I do make a mistake, for example, if I mistype Yukon with two N's, I can simply highlight the item and delete it and retype the correct item in to re-add it. So it's very easy to correct your work as you go, and I think I'll just keep entering more and more river names here, so do it as quick as I can. I need to enter enough names to fill out all the squares on a bingo card. If I enter more names or words than there are spaces, then each bingo card will contain a subset of the items that I enter. And of course every bingo card will be different, containing a different subset and a different order of items. So I'm nearly there now, just keep entering a couple more. I've already entered White River, so I can't do that. It warned me about that, so I'll try a different one there. I've also done that as well. Maybe I need to do something different. See, so the software there is protecting me against making mistakes. Let's see. Just add one or two more. Okay. Now I can also customize the appearance of the bingo cards by using colors or fonts. So seeing as it's about rivers, let's make the heading blue, and the bingo card itself actually say light blue, like so. And there's my customized bingo card. At the moment the words are in the order on the screen here and on the bingo card that I entered them. I can put them into a alphabetical order here, which is helpful for me just reviewing the items. I can also choose to make different size bingo cards. I can choose change the heading. I can choose whether or not to have a free space in the middle of the card, see there, and what text it contains. And I can control my printing here. The first choice is to choose whether to print a call list, which is a list of the items in random order, so that Bingo Caller can just use that list without having to draw items out of a hat or anything like that. It's very useful for a teacher who wants to save time. Second option here is how many bingo cards to print per page. I can print more cards per page if I want to save space, although obviously the downside of that is the bingo cards will be smaller, and if I want to give one bingo card for each student, I do actually have to cut the paper up, so I'll leave that on one. And the last option is here, how many bingo cards to print, and every bingo card is going to be different, containing a different subset of the items in a different order. So I enter the number of students in my class, for example, assuming one card per student, and I can produce that number of bingo cards in seconds. So if I have 10 students in my class, I could enter 10. If I had 25 students in my class, I can enter 25. If I have 100 or even 1,000, I can enter that number. So let's just say 25. And now I'm ready to print, well, I'm going to print a preview, which will allow me to see what the printout looks like on the screen. First page is the call list. Here you see the river names in a random order, so I could use that in the game. The next page, sorry, I should do here. The next page here is the first bingo card with the river names in a random order. And if I now go to the second bingo card, you'll see the river names in different random order. And the third card is different, and the fourth card and fifth card, and so on. Every bingo card is different. That's all there is to it. You can go to bingocardprinter.com, download the free trial version of the software, try it out, see how you like it. And if you find it useful, there's a upgrade to the full version, which is very modestly priced, and allows you to do everything that you've seen in this video, and a lot more besides. Thank you very much, hope you enjoyed it.